Okay, traders, we're going to have a look at yesterday's trade ideas, trade signals that were sent into this channel down in here. There were three, and I'll just give you an example of how easy this is to follow. Well, for example, Aussie yen, just set a bullish momentum sync alert for a buy opportunity. That's it. Set the alert and take the trade when it comes. We had a New Zealand yen, this one here. I'm long the New Zealand yen. Just copy that. Pretty simple and really easy to follow. I did a video yesterday on pre-week prep, what to do at the beginning of the week and how to get organized and find high probability opportunities. Very important video, that one, don't miss it. So let's just have a look and see how these turned out. There's also a CAD yen, so we'll start with the Aussie. Well, the New Zealand yen, there was the alert down there, so we were looking for a buy. Well, I was looking for a buy. I took that. Let me just show you the alerts. All right, they started kicking in around here. We took that. Now, this trade here is currently in profit. We've moved our stop loss to break even, and I've opened another trade today, as you can see here. That's running just based on this price action. We got a pullback, and there's momentum bullish here. They've got a buy signal here. Right, so we'll just continue on with that one. So the other one we had yesterday was that was the New Zealand yen. We've had a few. We've had an Aussie yen here. Aussie yen, so I entered the trade yesterday down here based on these buy signals. So that was the idea. Wait for the pullback and take the next buy signal. I'll show you that. Okay, here it is. Look, there's the white candles. Okay. Set up the signal to go off and take the trade when it fires. That's it. Set a bullish momentum sync alert. Aussie yen. And that was it back down in here. Okay, so I took that trade. Now, I actually decided to close this trade today. It pulled back, and this was a close at break even. We've got high impact data coming out shortly, impacting the Aussie. So I'll wait and see how that unfolds. And, we'll see. I might set a bullish alert for... Oh, I've already done it, so you can see the little alert thing there. All right, so that's on. But we've got to wait for this news event. Aussie yen, and the CAD yen was another one as well that I sent in yesterday. I wanted the pullback. It didn't come back down, see, but you can take that buy signal when it fires. I didn't take that trade, but, that would have been the outcome if you followed that signal, and that's like a 4-hour target. But that, and look, let me now show you how to use our alerts. So this will be a full tutorial from this point onwards. Seriously, we're just having so much success with these, and these are really suited to the London and the New York Open. We have a lot of success with these. So coming back here, this is how you deal with this, okay? Once I've sent an idea in, let's go to the Aussie yen. Let's just see how easy this is. Okay. Set a bullish momentum sync alert for a buy opportunity. This is what you do. AJ. Set a bullish momentum sync alert, right? So this here was where we were at. All you do is you come in and you go to this indicator. All you need actually is two indicators. You really only need those two. That's it. Let's just keep this simple. So come in here, go to the three dots, add alert. Okay, buy signal only. Once per bar, set your preferences over here, notify in the app, go for the sound, create. That's it. That's all you do. When that alert goes off, okay, down in here, you just jump straight in, long position, right there. Take the trade. I'm setting some wide stop losses with this. It's my thing that I'm having to deal with over, from years of forming a habit of setting wide stops. But the strategy is just to go with the green dots. Okay, there's the green dots above and below. Look, if you want to, you could go in between. But between these green dots is okay, and you could go with this previous swing low if you like. That's it. Okay, you got your entry, you got your stop loss. And the target 3R by default, so just throw it up there somewhere, right? We're going to change that. That's just to give it some room. So now you're in the trade. Well, you've taken the trade off the signal. Look at these signals coming in. You've taken the trade. You've got your stop loss set up. You've thrown in your target. What you can do now is set up a TP alert. Now, see these little dots? See that? That's one of them. And that's the other one. So these are where you will take profit. And I'm going to recommend you take 50% off at least 1R. So when that reaches 1R, and I've got a tool here and I'll show you that. I use the trend-based fib extension. Click on the entry, click on the direction of the trend, click back on the entry, grab the little thing here, wiggle it around till the stop loss meets your thing. And this is a risk reward, okay, tool. So this one here reached 1.25R. Show you how to do this with this trend-based fib extension tool. There's the settings that I've created. You got a -1 down here. You've got a minus, these minus figures. You can take a snapshot of this. Stop the video if you like and take a snapshot. Okay, so that's my risk reward tool. So, you know, you take 50% off at 1R, then move your stop loss up and trail. Let me just grab a pointer, right? Just follow it. So if that's your entry, you'll see the green dots here where I'm pointing. All these green dots. Well, you know, if that pullback there took you out, fair enough. Closed at break even. But generally speaking, if you follow it like this, see here for example, let's say you entered here on that buy signal and that gained a bit of traction, you can just grab your stop loss and move it up along these green dots here. And when it pulls back, there you go. See it pull back down into here. That closed that out. But sometimes, you know, and look, the idea is you gain a bit of distance with it on Monday and Tuesday in early in the week, and then let it run for the rest of the week and trail it up. But don't trail it too tight. And and just build on your, add to your position during the week. That's what we're intending to do here. So guys, look, that's it. That's what you get. I'm also sending signals into Telegram, so they're different. They're suited to automatic trade copy with a program like TS Copier. So here's an invite for you to trial this for 7 or 14 days and see how this works for you firsthand. And if you see it working, I mean, it's only $29.95 a month after that for the silver plan. Let's have a quick look. Yeah, on the Join VIP link. Okay, you got silver and gold. So there's the options. Gold is another, it's $49.95, and then you get access to the Telegram signals, so you can set up automatic trade copy and copy my signals through TS Copier. In saying that, have a look at the trade copy page, because if you scroll down here, the difference between TS Copier and my trade copy service, well, TS Copier will cost you approximately $129.95 a month when you set everything up here, whereas my trade copy service is only $59.95. You're going to save USD $70 a month if you go with my trade copy service, and that's just $10 more than. Have a look here, guys. Look, see, $49.95. You're going to have this gold level membership, $49.95. So for an extra $10 a month, for $59.95, you get this trade copy, and I set everything up on my end. I connect your MT4 or 5 to my account. All right. Now you can track the Telegram signals results with this spreadsheet. Okay. There's some history. I mean, it's a passive income opportunity for you if you want it. So with that, trade these manually. Go with the trade copy as well. We both trade it, and huge benefits with our system here, without a doubt. Okay guys, with that, I hope you have a fantastic day, and I'll see you in the next one.